Hello, children. Today we are going to study chapter number 7 of moral science, and the chapter name is The Wounded Swan. The value we are going to learn is kindness, means किसी पे दया करना. So we are starting with the chapter The Wounded Swan. Okay. So warming up. Do you know kindness is a great virtue? दया करना, लोगों पे दया करना, काइंडनेस दिखाना बहुत ही बड़ी वर्च्यू है. वी मस्ट काइंड टू ऑल प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स. सो हम सबको काइंड होना चाहिए सबके साथ, प्लांट्स के साथ भी एंड एनिमल्स के साथ भी. एनिमल्स इंक्लूड ह्यूमन बींग्स ऑल्सो. काइंडनेस नॉट ओनली मेक्स अस हैप्पी बट अदर्स ऑल्सो हैप्पी. हम ही को नहीं अच्छा रखती है, खुश रखती है, बाकियों को भी खुश रखती है. काइंडनेस इज़ अ लैंग्वेज दैट अपीज एवरीवन. अपीजेज एवरीवन means everybody likes it. So the story. One day Prince Siddhartha and his cousin Devadatta were strolling in a forest. So they were strolling in a forest. Suddenly they saw beautiful wild swan flying overheads. उन्होंने क्या देखा? एक स्वान देखा जो कि उनके सर के ऊपर से जा रहा था. Siddhartha said, "The swans are really beautiful." The Siddhartha admired the beauty of the swans. Yes, said Devadatta, the other brother, I must get one of them. And Devadatta said, what? I must get one of them. मुझे एक उनमें से चाहिए. As he said this, he took out his bow and arrow. ठीक है, उसने अपना bow and arrow निकाला and he aimed at the swan. और उसने स्वान पे निशाना लगाया. The arrow hit one of the swans and it fell onto the ground. और वो एरो किसको लगा? एक स्वान को लगा and it fell into the ground. Siddhartha was displeased to see this. Siddhartha loves animal and he did not like this, so he displeased with this act of Devadatta. He said, Devadatta, what you have done is wrong. जो भी तुमने किया है ये गलत है. He quickly went and picked up the swan. वो दौड़ के गया और उसने उस स्वान को उठा लिया. He took out the arrow from the swan's body carefully and took it home. और उसने वो एरो जो उसको लगा था स्वान को, because it become it got injured, so उसने उसमें से निकाला and it took it to his home. He took good care of the swan by dressing its wounds regularly. उसने उसके चोट पे रोज़ ड्रेसिंग की और उसका ख्याल रखा. Devadatta came after a few days and saw the swan. देवदत्ता लौट के आया, उसने देखा स्वान. He said, oh, this is my swan, give it to me. उसने कहा देवदत्ता ने सिद्धार्था से, दिस स्वान बिलोंग्स टू मी, नाउ गिव इट टू मी बैक. He said, oh, this is my swan, give it to me. Siddharth said, its wounds are still healing and anyway it's a wild swan. उसने कहा उसके अभी चोट ठीक हो रही है और वैसे भी ये वाइल्ड है, जंगली है. It does not belong to you. ये तुम्हारा नहीं है. I will see it free once. I will set it free once it is all right. जब ये ठीक हो जाएगा मैं इसको छोड़ दूंगा. देवदत्ता said, I shot it. Give it to me. देवदत्ता ने कहा मैंने इसको मारा था तीर से, मुझे दो. No, said Siddhartha. This swan is not dead, just wounded. If it was dead, it would have been yours. ये मरा नहीं है, ये जिंदा है. अगर हाँ ये मर जाता तो शायद तुम्हारा हो जाता. The two boys began to argue. दोनों भाई लड़ने लगे. Siddhartha said, this is not helping. Let us go to the king's court and seek justice. सिद्धार्था ने कहा हम लोग किंग के पास जाएंगे और वो हमें बताएंगे, जस्टिस देंगे कि किसका है ये स्वान. देवदत्ता agreed and both went to the meet king. दोनों जन चले गए किंग से मिलने. King asked, tell me what happened. क्या हो गया? What? Both told their story to the king. Devadatta said, I shot the swan. It belongs to me. Siddhartha said, I saved it. It is wounded but still alive. उसने कहा मैंने इसको शॉट मारा था, इसको मारा था तीर से, तो ये मेरा है. देवदत्ता ने कहा. And the Siddhartha said, because I have saved it, so it belongs to me. The king listened to both and then said, the one saves lives has greater right over the one who kills. जो लाइफ बचाता है उसका ज़्यादा हक होता है ना कि जो मारता है. So Siddhartha has saved the life of swans, hence it belongs to him. तो सिद्धार्थ ने उसकी लाइफ बचाई तो ये सिद्धार्था का है. सिद्धार्था बस हैप्पली क्राइड द स्वान इन हिज आर्म. नाउ द मॉरल इज बी काइंड टू ऑल. वी शुड बी काइंड टू ऑल. वी शुड ऑलवेज show kindness to all the people, all the animals, all the plants. Okay, now let us remember, all saints and great men have preached kindness. It is the language which even animal understand. Being kind to creatures of God will bring you more close to God. If you are going to kind to the God, if you want to be, go closer to the God, you should be kind to everyone, whether it is a plant or an animal or a human beings. Now these are some question and exercises which I will give you through PDF. If you are having any question regarding this chapter, drop me a message into a message box. Thank you everyone.